Banks versus credit union. Which one is going to be better for your needs? Well, personally, I don't like to support big banks because they simply don't support us. They're designed for the rich, the wealthy, and the powerful, and they're designed to extract wealth from the rest of us. I like credit unions because they're better. They're not the best, but they're better. They're not for profit. They're member owned, which means it's owned by you, and they have the lowest interest rates, the lowest fees, and the most human aspect when it comes to the way that they do business. In my experience, if you're going to be late on your credit card or your auto loan or your mortgage, and you call up one of the big banks and tell them, they're not going to help you out at all. They're just going to push you off to the side and say, if you don't pay it, we're going to mess up your credit. Well, that's not my experience when it comes to credit unions. They actually work with you. And I had a client recently tell me that the credit union even put his credit card payments on hold for a full year because he had financial hardship, and they didn't report him late a single time. Also, what happens when you overdraft? It happens to everybody on occasion. I mean, come on. If I said that I never overdrafted, I'd be lying to you. Guys, people overdraft, and it's not something that you should be charged an insane fee for. The big banks make over $1 billion a year on overdraft fees. They're extracting the wealth from you and giving it to the rich and the powerful. Credit unions have the lowest overdraft fees, and the one that I use, BECU, won't charge you for your first couple overdrafts if they're realistic. So I recommend that you look into moving your personal money and getting your credit cards and loans through a credit union. If you're wealthy, you should definitely work with a big bank. A credit union isn't going to cater to someone that's a multimillionaire in the way that a bank would. Now, I'm not a multimillionaire, so I can't advise you on if your money is safe in the bank, but I've heard a lot of multimillionaires are really happy with the bank. So if you're a millionaire, you should definitely go to the banks. If you're not yet, you should work with a credit union. And it's never bad to have both accounts just for some safety and security, but make sure that the primary account that you use is your credit union account. Mine personally, if I have $1,000 in the account, they pay me $60 a year in interest. It's insane. The banks just don't do that. So stick up for yourself, stick up for your financial well-being, and don't be taken advantage of by the banks who are just trying to extract wealth from us, the regular everyday people, and give it to the elitists. If you found this video to be helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a positive comment below. I read all of the comments and I love you guys. So keep up the great work, and I will see you on the next video.